Hello traders. So what if you could test a trading idea before risking a single dollar? This is Strategy Forge, a no-coding trading strategy builder made for people who want to think like quants without writing code, right? So the main idea is simple. Instead of opening a code editor, you build your own strategy visually, right? So our team at Next Ledger has built this as just as a demo for, to showcase on YouTube, but we've built more cool things as well for our clients, but this is just our own demo. Okay, so we've got this page over here, and let's just hop into the builder where we will be building multiple types of strategies without writing a single code, and we'll be doing it visually, right? So I've got a template over here. We can zoom in this space. So let me just go here and zoom in. Okay. So we can also, move this around. So it's very visual, very user, friendly kind of thing. And you can also move this around. And so it selects a symbol, number one. Then it selects a time frame, which is 1 day. Then it selects the market session filter, right? You can see here. Let me just zoom in. And then it selects the indicator that we will be using, which is simple moving average just for this showcase video. And then we can go on and see that what's the condition. So the condition is like price crosses above the indicator, which is a simple moving average SMA, right? And you can even put in more parameters into this if you want. And then what happens then? If the condition passes, you take an entry, right? And then you're in the position, and then either your take profit is going to hit, or either your stop loss is going to hit, right? So both of these one of those both things is going to hit, and then you're going to get into a rebalance state of your equity. So either your equity is going to go up or it's going to go down. So you're going to scale positions size with the account equity, like managing the risk, and then you have a max drawdown limit. So it's not going to hit more than your max drawdown limit, which is 15. And we can also change it if you want. If you want, we can make it 20, right? So whatever it is. So we're going to run the back test, and it's going to run it behind the scenes, and it has shown us that this strategy, this whole thing, this whole block that we built, it has these returns, right? So this strategy attempts to capture medium-term momentum by entering a price crosses above the 50 SMA, and it exits using fixed stop loss and take profit controls. And the main risk is whipsaw during sideways markets. So it also tells you these things, right? And there's no AI into this. There's no AI slop into this at the moment, but it's simple logic and conditions. Okay, so you've got your win rate, you've got your average loss, and all these things. And of course, this data is simulation only and research only because we just built it as a demo. But if you want, to build things like these, projects like these for your own trading automation or fintech, you can just reach us out at nextledger.org, or message us on LinkedIn or email us. Like, we have all the details in the description. You can reach out to us through that. Okay, so we've got the equity curve and all those things, and the trade distribution, and the monthly returns heat map. You all know what this is, right? You all are traders and are easily versed with these kind of information. So let's go to the library, and in the library we can see that we have already pre-built strategies and pre-built templates that if you want to use, you can use easily, right? And then in the report section, there's like reports of the things that you've run. You can see over here, right? So it also tells you the failure modes. It also tells you the suggested improvements according to the strategy that you're using, right? And then again, if you go to the builder, and let's say we choose another, like we do something with the blocks, right? So let's say that we, instead of the simple moving average, we delete this, right? And then we have RSI. So we're gonna pick this, and we're gonna add it here, right? Wait a second. Apologies for that. I just had forgotten that the RSI blocks were being added below here. As you can see, whenever we click any other thing, it just gets added below here. So I was trying to move it from here to here, but I've forgotten that it automatically adds to the map, and then you have to pick it up and add to the node. But anyway, so we're gonna delete the exponential moving average because we don't need that, right? We don't need that. And we're gonna delete the extra RSI blocks, and then we have this block here, and then we're gonna pick it up and go here, and then we're gonna attach this node to this, wait a second. Yeah, so we're gonna attach it here. So it connects from this, and we're gonna attach this over here as well. Yep. Okay, so it goes here, and then let's see what happens. We are gonna so we're gonna run the back test, and now you can see the total returns is 10%, right? The average loss is 0, and the average win is this, Sharpe ratio is this, and 100% of trades. And of course, this is also the things where you have to see the back testing report, right? Because in nowhere in reality you will have something that's 100% win rate. And why it's showing 100% win rate? Because the amount of trades are very less, right? 7 number of trades is a very small sample size to be able to believe in that backtesting report, right? That's one of the signs. So anyways, this was a demo that I was showcasing and the capabilities of our team, of what we can build for traders, and any sort of automation you want, we can do it at Next Ledger. You can just visit us on this website, and we'll be happy to help you guys. All right, thanks for watching the video, and bye-bye.